everyone, welcome to Xiaomo's Wiring Workshop. We will show you the internet assembly of our equipment, which uses Taiwan link wheel power supply, Taiwan high ring wheel, Italian timing belts, Omron relay, TPI graded scroll, and multiply servo motors, according to the different structures and models. Different operating systems have been developed, such as 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis, 6-axis, etc. Therefore, we are equipped with different operating handles. You can see that all the lines are nearly organized through the rear roof. We also have various virtual equipment systems, which are installed in the equipped computer and operated through the monitor and mouse. If you want to know more, please contact Xiaomo Automation.